Okay. Time since you started reading cell, you always study chromatin. Chromatin is what? DNA and histones. In the cell, in the nucleus, the DNA don't exist only as DNA. This DNA exists with proteins to keep it in position. DNA is a coiled structure, helical structure. So proteins are heavy. To keep DNA in the nucleus space, we compress the DNA with the proteins to keep it in nucleus. Those package proteins of DNA are called as histones. DNA always be present with histones. The DNA plus histones is called as chromatin. One fundamental. The moment I say chromatin, I am speaking about DNA. Is it only DNA? No. The DNA which is compactly packed with the help of proteins called histones. Then students generally confuse the differences between chromatin, chromatid and chromosome. I am going to show the same differences in this video. Chromatin, chromatid, chromosome. When the cell is functioning normally, the DNA in the cell is called as chromatin. When do I see chromatid and chromosome? Chromatid and chromosome, we see them only during cell division. This is one fundamental difference you should understand. During cell division, as you can see, they are showing the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, DNA with histones is chromatin, and when it undergoes cell division, the chromatin will become double. Will get doubled because it should be distributed between two daughter cells. One copy of chromatin becomes two copies. So that one copy of chromatin along with the duplicated copy or replicated copy, whatever is shaded purple in this picture, is the original chromatin, and whatever is shown in sky blue is the replicated part of it. It's like I have 10-page document with me and I want a Xerox of each. So I take one document, I take the Xerox and I pin it together so that I can give it to two people without confusion. The chromatin also does the same. One chromatid is original, and when it replicates the other chromatid, then it keeps both the chromatid pinned at centromere. So the two chromatids which is pinned at the center with centromere becomes chromosome. Condensed chromatin, either two sister chromatids of one chromatid. One is the original content, the other chromatid is the duplicated content for the second cell. For DNA, if it is like DNA, it is difficult. For me, if all the content is on one paper, the paper is too long to distribute. So what do? I cut down the content into 10 papers, make Xerox, pin them, distribute without confusion. Chromatin is very long. First it packs in the form of chromatid. For every chromatid there is a copy and they are pinned at the center so that each daughter cell will get all the content without getting missed. These are the differences between chromatin, chromatid and chromosome. Very important even for the cell division.